here to do it for you.
Thank you.
And there's some young folks here who are in law school and or just out from Lincoln Memorial University Law School. One of them happens to be my son.
Here, here.
And Will DeBusk, is that right? Robert. And
Luann.
And I just for the future, I think it is, I thought maybe, of course, I'd like for Michael and you guys to kind of talk why this is important to you, as young lawyers to be and lawyers. And I think
I'm fine, yeah.
really very helpful with Lincoln Memorial, am I correct? So I don't know, Michael, you want to?
Sure, I'll start. First off, I'd like to say thank you all for being here today. And kind of in my law school experience and following this election, I've noticed that a couple important points that have come up about judicial elections. First off, that it's important to keep politics out of our court system. And the second thing that I've seen as very important is that we evaluate our judges based not on their political party, but based on their experience, their qualifications, and their impartiality in the courtroom. In terms of keeping politics out of the judiciary, I've seen some attack ads on these justices, and they're often very misleading and maybe pull like one line out of a 20-page decision. And if we make decisions based on these attack ads, we'll get an ever-increasing political judiciary. We'll get justices making decisions not based on the law and the facts of the case, but based on what's politically expedient. And also, in terms of evaluating justices, it's important that we evaluate them, like I said, based on their experience and whether or not they make decisions based on the law, not based on, as I said, what's politically expedient. And so if we elect judges based on that, then we'll start to lose predictability in our court system, which is very important not only for our courts, but for our democracy as a whole. And so I think it's important that in this election we send the message to special interest groups that money cannot, no amount of money will change our judiciary, and that it's important for Tennesseans to have impartial and fair justices, and that we retain the ones that we have. Thank you, that's very kind of you.
And if you recognize the name DeBusk, they have been very helpful in Lincoln Memorial and other things, and I'm not sure what your relationship is to them.
Well, Pete is my grandfather, Brian is my father, but this summer I was given the honor of being Chief Justice Wade's intern. It has been absolutely nothing but my honor to travel around the state, to get to know these three justices, and to get to see this historic election. He hit on a lot of great points, specifically that our justices should be retained based on their merits. And I hate to steal part of your speech, sir, but one of the ways to judge those merits is through a committee that is put together by the Speaker of the House and the Speaker of the Senate. There are 9 members in total. 4 of them are picked by the Speaker of the House, 4 by the Speaker of the Senate, and 1 jointly. These people have nearly unanimously recommended a retention for all 3 of our justices. It's an overwhelming vote. Despite this, there have been people who have decided to go against that vote, who have tried to bring tons of out-of-state money, out-of-state funds, to go against really their own people. And it's just important to ensure that we retain these justices, because I can speak from personal experience for every one of them that they deserve nothing but that. They've done nothing but good, and I've seen nothing but good from them. I've, of course, read their opinions. I've gotten the honor of even working on some of them. He's given me a lot of good opportunities this summer, and
I hope I'll have a lot more.
It would be an honor, Your Honor. And so, the magic word here is retain, and I ask you all to vote such.